All right, so it's the day before of a conference that I have to give in Leuven in Lucas School of Art, where I did my master, which is actually feels pretty funny and very nice to be giving their conference now this time. So I'm in the opposite side of the of the spectrum, no longer as a student but as a lecturer. Interesting. Honestly, like I don't know if that's a thing of being an artist and a musician that you always try to be perfectionist, but since they invited me to give this lecture, I already knew immediately like exactly how I wanted to do it. But um the night before, past midnight, I will have to wake up like at 6 to be there on time because it's a bit far away. And I'm still here, like kind of making it better, adding things or kind of organizing it a little bit better. I don't know, it's like there is no end in perfectionism. It's like sometimes like a little bit of a torture. But okay, I think it's gonna be a nice thing, and most of all, I think it's gonna be very useful for the guys. The conference topic is going to be around the website and how, let's say, musicians and well, artists or content creators can benefit from having a website. For me, it has helped me enormously. It has given me the freedom to make my own job, to arrange things as I want them, to make my schedule as I like it, to have the freedom of actually manipulating my future and my work. And given that nowadays it's so easy to do those things, it can prevent what I have heard so often of very talented musicians that just give up because they say, I have no concerts and it's so hard to find students, it's not reliable, I need a job, I go to study something else. And that is so sad after spending an entire life practicing and working really hard to achieve something and just to give it away just like that. And I find that there are so many possibilities, so many that we have nowadays, thanks to the all the online thing, all the technology, the fact that everything is so accessible. So somehow this conference is about that, and I hope I can give the guys some hope for the future, lots of ideas, and I want to see them striving for their dreams, their goals, and that they don't have this destiny of some, unfortunately, some people that they just give up because they cannot sustain themselves like this. So, yeah, I think now everything is just transferred, so I think I'm going to get packing, and I'll see you in some hours. Fun fact, I didn't use my old laptop for a long time, and soon look how many emails is downloading. It's downloading, let's see, 9,400 messages, oh my god. Can you believe it that this was the first live event in a long time? Incredible. Come on, you can make it. 33,000 emails from 49,000 to go. Come on, I believe in you. So here goes some vlog footage of my way to the conference, to the lecture. You know, it is so strange when you finish working that is pitch black outside, just very late in the night, and then you wake up and it's still very dark. It feels like you don't have a life anymore, like you're just working. But yeah, well, that's what it is, right?
truth is that it's actually very funny to go back again out with this massive big camera and these very heavy lenses everywhere around. It feels and it smells like it's vlog time. So the lecture was starting at 9 o'clock and with a small intermission, and then until 11 o'clock. And Bart, who is the teacher of the conservatory who gives these lessons and who invited me, he brought so many croissants, like three packs of croissants. It was like, I mean, who does this anymore? That's next level of masterclassing, seriously. This actually was one of my favorite rooms to practice, because when there are not all the tables in the center, it sounds really huge. It's like you play guitar, it sounds like you're in like a very, very cool concert house. Concerts hall? I think here they call it concert house. Anyways, concert hall. I believe in total we were about 50 or 60 people in there, they told me. There were students attending from different universities, and also the teachers were attending, which was very nice to talk to them, very nice to hear their feedback, and I think they enjoyed it very much as well. I am actually so tired. Tonight I ended up going to sleep like really late, and so it was really late. I slept like 2 hours and 40 minutes. But at least somehow when you're talking to other people, somehow my brain connected, and it seemed like if I slept 8 hours, it seemed like. But now that I'm back home, I really, really feel just want to crash. Anyways, now it's 12 o'clock in the midday. I am back home, and my plan is literally to eat and sleep until hopefully 4 o'clock or something. Then I can go train, and then maybe in the evening we do a live stream practice session with me, which I don't know if by the time I publish this video I will have already introduced what is that. But if I didn't, just check the live streams that are on my channel and the practice with me series, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. So maybe see you guys tonight. Actually, I like the room from this angle. Look how nice this panel. I love these panels, man. These Hofa panels, I really like them. They just look so sexy. Okay, that's me with two less sleep. So, gonna stop here. Look at that onion I have here. It's like lol.